Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to bring you another product that's really useful. I've shown a lot of these before, but if you haven't seen one of the videos, I want to bring you another one. It just makes enjoying the features of this car a lot easier and more streamlined. So let me get into exactly what I'm talking about. So as you know, the new 2021 TLX never put the wireless CarPlay in these cars. Now they did on the new update, but on these ones, you have to use an adapter. So this is from a company, I think it's pronounced BINIZE, but this is a pretty neat one. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you exactly what it looks like. So they're pretty basic. This one's round, and this one actually lights up, which is nice. And you can go on their the website, get directions to be able to change a color too. So if you want to add some color to your car, it's another way you can do it with this. But it just plugs in either the USB-C or the USB port on your vehicle, depending on what it comes with, stock. So they give you both cords, which is nice. Now on the TLX, they use the old USB connector, and then they also give you the USB-C. So if your car's a little bit newer or they actually use the USB-C, then you're covered as well. But it's pretty basic. You just plug it in. Okay. And you'll turn the car on. And I'll show you how it lights up here. So that adds a lot of color. And like I said, you can change the color too. Just read the directions how to do that. Right now it's just on the multicolor one. But then pairing them, they're all pretty much the same. You're going to go into your Bluetooth and you're going to find the name, and the directions tell you. They're kind of straightforward. And then you have to accept it and then pair your phone to it. Once you do that, it's good. And then once you get in the car every time, it automatically pairs. You never have to mess with it again. That's what I like about it. So here you'll see it. See BINIZE, COM, and then it has those numbers. That's it. So you have to enable that and then go to the Bluetooth on your phone, and it'll say that same thing, and then click it, and it'll pair. And once you do that, you got wireless CarPlay. And like I said, the nice thing is you pair it, and then you'll never have to do that again, which I really like. Even if you unplug it from your car for a reason, you plug it back in, it'll pair back up automatically. It knows that. They're really easy to use. Like I said, they range in price. This one's under $100. And like I said, if you want to add some color, this one, you can change the color, add color to your car. If you have a spot where it plugs in outside the center console, it'll make more of a difference. This one's kind of covered. If it's plugged in over here, you can actually see the color of the lights. But it works really flawless, pairs right up. And you turn it off here, and light goes off, of course, because there's no power to it. So if you want wireless CarPlay, if you're sick of plugging your phone in, I know it's not a huge deal, but I will say once you have it, it's so nice. You can leave your phone in your pocket, and it pairs right up to your phone. Like, I don't know if I could do it without it anymore. It's just so convenient to not mess with your phone, and it automatically pairs. And some people are asking about the lag to it. There's not much lag at all compared to even the factory one. Like our new CRV, it takes a second. When you switch songs, this is no different. So that's standard with wireless connections, but you see right there, it's right back up. It's connected to CarPlay. So if you're looking for a good deal, check this one out. I'll put the link in the description. I have a promo code too that I link below. It'll save you some money on it right now. So definitely take advantage of that. The promo code is Honda John. And again, it's all in the description. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. I'll get back to you as always. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay spin, everybody.